Hello, I'm Shifu Malin with the Clearwater Kung Fu Center. This is kickboxing. This is my assistant Melissa, and we're going to be working on abdominal muscles for our kickboxing. This one is called our reverse mini crunch. To begin with, Melissa's going to go ahead and place her hands down by her side. Now, most people keep their hands straight at this level, but what I want Melissa to do is I want to take her hips and I want to lift them off the floor a little bit, and then I want to bring her palms flat underneath her hips. What we want to accomplish is we want to get your lower back flat against the floor, a neutral spine. This is important so that you don't feel an arch and you don't put any extra pressure on your lower back. Now, once she's comfortable, she feels that lower back flat, she's going to pull her chin to her chest slightly, just a tiny bit, just activating. Now, both legs stay close together, and she's going to lift her knees up to her chest this way. As she does this, she's going to do a small hip lift. Then she's going to come straight back down, not let the feet touch. Right back up. Right back down, not let the feet touch. A few more times. Again, you want to work this at your own pace, starting with 5 to 10 repetitions, and then work on timing it 30 seconds to a minute. This is called reverse mini crunch, abdominal kickboxing.